Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Treadwell EQ 2020 model year. A bike for any day and anywhere. Fun and light to rip around the neighborhood for meetups, running errands or Sunday fun days. This bike equipped with an all-new frame, and reliable fork all new. And Shimano Altus high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Tekrto HD-R280 hydraulic disc. Cannondale Treadwell EQ equipped with good tires Maxxis DTR-1. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.